Good morning, Pari. Good morning, YouTube family. What's with me? Once more in the kitchen again. Daddy, want to say morning? Daddy's here with me.
Morning, family. Good
that time for you still coming in front of the camera and tell them, man, you know, no coming. When you're ready. You're not ready yet?
Answer.
You not answer me. Hey, that's the morning. So good morning, YouTube family. Good morning. Breakfast time. But you know, you saw how we had our dinner. So this is how we have a lot. Near the kettle, I'm sorry, electric kettle boil. You see, we have for dinner. So what we did have for dinner was the dumpling and something. So we have, you see, enough food. So right here, so you see, so we have some left back food. Yeah, see that left back food there? Yeah. Alright, so I soon show you our left back. The left back food. And we have some curry chicken. So, you know, say Jamaica, you know, people no waste food. Food hard for buy down here, food expensive. So, people, well, I don't know if people are waste food, but me try not for waste food. So, we are going to deal with some breakfast this morning, Jamaican style again, like how we do the dinner, authentic Jamaican left back food breakfast. So what we are going to do is fry over the food and we left and add up the curry chicken, and we are going to make some tea. See? So what I do, I get some water boil. I'll show you how you must deal with the leftover overnight food. We in Jamaica, we say overnight food. The leave back, the left back, like hard boiled food. I'll show you how you do it before you fry it over. So I feel like I want some mint, so I go around about this, I go get some fresh mint, and then I go come back, deal with the fry over food. I'm out of water, I'm out of juice, I can't wait, because you know why? A long time I'm not deal with it like that. See? So I catch you on the back of the camera. Yeah? So right now, Pari, I'm going to get a piece of mint out here, so out of my mint tree. So my mint tree, yeah? I get a piece of fresh mint here, so. You know, want to break it too up at the young part. You know, want to break it like this, you know, you want to break it where somewhere where it kind of mature. Me always tell myself to break it in at the joint to make it spring back. Me and Dad, no, I'm me alone. So, break the next little piece, you break it in at the joint. You see joint? So, you break it right there, so, enable it for spring back. See? Yeah. So, I'm going to go get my mint properly washed and draw my mint tea. Jamaican style, yeah? Bon! Right, pretty morning outside. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Yeah, I don't sweep up from morning. So the boy born out there, so. You don't see him? Bun. Aki the pan tree. Soon start open, then go to all open when the breeze start blow. Easter Aki. Wagwan, come here. Come. Come here now. Come. Come to mommy. Come. Come on. Come here, boy. Come. Come now. We will wash out him pan and feed him. I'm not get feeding from morning yet. Come here. Okay, now, YouTube family. These are the left back food that we did have from dinner. You saw it there? So when me do know, you know, that is just me, you know. Me I pour some fresh hot water over it. Because you take it out of the water, the pot soup or the pot water we call it. Where it cook in, so it have the kind of little, you know, them little, what do they call them something now, them little thing there. I don't know what me at left on it. But bear in mind, so when you put this fresh hot water. You have to clean off them little, you see the dumpling them start get back clean. Them look something. You see the water start come? Yeah, keep it in the water, the hot water, not cold water, you know. So remember say this water fresh water, you know. So you go put a little more salt and make it stay there. Not all heap, you know, that good. So you make it stay there in that fresh hot water there. You know want to fry, you know, you see the water come like a little murkiness, you know. You clean off the little long time pot water where you did left overnight, you know. After the food them. See? So right there, so I have my curry chicken, and you know, say guess what? I go add up my curry chicken. So I put a little extra water in it too. Yep. Show you your angle the overnight, the left back food. See? And you stir him up, because you see the overnight food, you know, you don't add it up on a fast like an express. So you just turn down your stove, turn on your heat and get it down low. You see it? Look at it. You're going to make it stay there for about the next 30 minutes or 25-30 minutes. On the low, you come around now and, you know, if it just, you know, stir it around a few times and all of that, and make sure it stay on the low heat. And take it time and make the heat go right through it at a slow pace. Slow pace. Anything, if I even cabbage or callaloo or anything, once you cook it and it left back there. Because we didn't put it in the refrigerator, we cooked pretty late and the time was cool because we had the AC on for a pretty long time. So we never put it in our fridge. So that's how it go. So the food there, so now, and we make it stay in this. So after about another 5 minutes, I got remove these food from the water. And when you see me next, I'm going to show you how I'm going to proceed to start fry them. Alright, now YouTube family. So, you see the yam them clean. All that, the left back, you know, that long time pot soup, so the dumpling then clean. That like little, you know, none of them then are the pan it. So, I remove all of them, banana, everything. See me? Yeah, so that's what you do. You get a little hot water and chew and clean off. Some people fry it like that, you know. But that's just not my style. I just saw me do it to make them look fresh again. Although they're not going to look fresh like, you know, a leftover food. You know, and even if you're going to store it in the refrigerator after a time, you do it after you, in the night, you know. Even if you're going to store it in the refrigerator after, you do this too. So when you're ready, you just take it from the refrigerator. All them little long time, you know, water, they will cook up on it and the dumpling. You know, look something there. Cleanse it with the fresh water. Not really cleanse, but clean it up, you know. Alright. So you see it's still now. So I have it in other thing I want to drain. So I put it on the plate. See, everything can I can't afford to throw nothing, you know. So show them now that. You see how the water look? And I use this water. All of these left back look or something there. See it? So that's how the water look. Alright. So you do it like that. Because you cook already. So what me I go do now? My curry chicken that I take time I hot up. I'm gonna have my minty sagwan right over here, so yeah. So I want some space from that pot here now. So I'm gonna fry it now. I'm gonna fry them now in my frying pan. See? So let me tell you something. I get my frying pan heated. Some people at this point, me too, enough time I do it. If you have used chicken oil, or not fish at all. I don't like reuse fish oil of such, none at all. You know, not the fish. But if you have like chicken especially, leave, you know, chicken oil where you just fry some chicken with recently and you have, you know, and so on. Because I do think I have some, I'm not sure. But when I'm ready, me sure now. So I put on the frying pan for reheat now. For get heated, not reheat. That happened to me. Hungry, Daddy?
Seems like it.
So early? Alright, let me use this. What me I go do now, I dry them first. Because remember them have on the water and when you put it in the oil, you know what gonna happen? Guess what gonna happen? Beer popping up and all of them, something that gonna happen. So, me, if you not have no hand towel, me use kitchen rag or something, dry it properly. Some people cut it cross, so me not really want to test that like that because the knife will cut you. So me just cut them cross way. See? So you see them? So me dry them properly and me cut them cross way. Me have me yam them. And me I go dry the yam them too. Because you can't fry the yam them so thick, you know. So depends on how the yam them stay. So you just like how they stay. So now you just come right down in a two. You can use your kitchen knife, but me I try to use that eating knife here because I'm scared when I cut down them food here. So you see how them dry and nice, I go do most of them. So I'm a pot of hot. I don't know if I can find the used chicken oil. I would love to find. So when the frying start, I go come back and show you. It will have a little pick, but not a lot. It has you propose, you just take it from me. So with the water pan it, the moist and put it in there. Pure popping on the stove mess up. So when we're ready for fry, I go bring you back and I hope you're not drool. Don't drool. It's gonna be nice, but don't jewel. Alright, so me have some oil. This was fried chicken oil. So me I put a reasonable amount in there. And I think that is good. That's good. So me have my oil I eat. So when me tell you say use chicken oil, I mean clean pretty oil like this. But it all make the food taste nice because the oil have flavor, the seasoning from the chicken. Well, not everybody might really want to do that. Because you know, people say, I don't this and I don't that. But guess what? Let me tell you now, me a Jamaican and me have to do it. So me grew up, my mother used to give it that and he never do nothing. And I've not seen it done me anything since I become a woman. I have my children, I give it to my children, and I want to say if they were home, they would have dive in at this. So me go get my food all cut up, me and my I'll eat when they come back. The food I'm supposed to have fry. Nice overnight fry over food. Look a bit. Alright, now YouTube family, see me here, not all of them. But my oil reasonably hot. And you don't fry them on too much of a eat. I eat. Because you know what we are looking for? We are looking for them to have a nice crispy brown crust. If you fry them on too much of a I eat, them a go brown from the outside and almost could have come burn too. And then inside, not really get that nice heat I go through. So you want it from the outside crispy and nice. And at the same time, when you bite on the crispy, if you feel that nice warmness I go through from the inside. So you don't want to fry it. You see it? It still have a little something there, you know, as opposed to. But if you never dry off the moisture after it, the whole place would be so messy. You can turn up the flame a little. This takes a little time. In life, anything will come good takes time. So I go and fry it till I get all of them fryer. And when I come back here, I go see how them look. Time is the master for everything. And let me tell you, this thing is very addicting. Because if you're there, so now somebody where you and them really good like that, come and see you. You're there and say, they beg a piece of your fry over food, they beg a piece of your overnight food now. This is how addicting this thing is. Comment and tell me. All Jamaicans, you know about this. Some people might want to, oh, I don't that. But you know how it go already. And then, some people would love to eat this. And I want to ask if any of my Caribbean brothers and sisters are over on this channel. And if you are, welcome and thank you. Tell me if you don't do it. So I know say all the other Caribbean countries do it just like how Jamaica do it. So when you see me next, all of them are going to fry off and them are going to brown and pretty and crispy and nice. Curry chicken and hot up minty are ready and we are going to eat together. Yeah? Like a bit. Okay, now family, I am right back. I'm going to eat peas. Real thing. This is it. This is the finished product. Shoot them up on it. That makes it good. This is something that we grew up on when we picked in our country. And I've taken it right into my family. If Camera Girl was here, it's school day, and the work day, and Jer was here, they would have eat it out from before it started. The first batch come out, they would have eat it. You wouldn't have so much to show. And let me tell you something. A lot of us grew up on this when we were in the country. Not really like to get it every day, but when we have food left back, nobody now go buy no bread nor nothing at all. You know? And sometimes you know what happens? You ever hear them say, when life throws lemons at you, you must make lemonade, but may I go take it even further. When life throws lemons at you and you don't have no sugar, coffee, make lemonade, you have to have sugar. And if life throws lemons at you and you ain't got no sugar, you make lemon water. Yeah, I'm saying this to say that sometimes we have left back food and sometimes the parents deliberately cook a lot of food for some for leave back for we get it for go to school in the morning. Sometimes there is no oil and you can comment if you've been through anything like that. Sometimes things sticky, no oil, and then I put it on the fire stone. Comment if you know that. When Bogo Baka sent me, make sure you subscribe to the Jamaican Debbie stream. I'm going to show you them firestone there. And I'm going to show you how you put it on the firestone. Just warm it and it get a little crust and we'll eat it. How many times have I had that? And I was one of the most brilliant little girl in my community. And anybody with upon this will know me. And if they would like to speak the truth, then can comment. You know, stop you from learning, stop you from doing nothing. I'm going to show you where my mother's kitchen was when I was a girl going to school, when I go back there. And I'm going to show you. Sometimes them spit near go to school, other kids that go to school, them stand up and them look through the kitchen window and see you sit down in there. You wait for the liquor when you reach a school. Cold dumpling, Debbie. Warm dumpling, Debbie. And them just eat it too, you know. Them just eat it and I go to school too, you know. But that's the way. That's the world of children. So I'm telling you, we don't waste food. Don't waste food. And if you have never seen it done like this before, you cook your hard-boiled food. If you're even not a Jamaican, you cook your hard-boiled food and some leave back, and you not believe in wasting food, you can have it like this. Prepare it like this for your family. This is nice with some steamed callaloo, some steamed cabbage, some stewed sausages, some crispy fried saltfish with some escovitch pickle. Let me tell you about that if you didn't know about that. So this is one of the little things that from a child coming up, I take it and I share it with my family. You know, some people might want to say, me never eat it, even though they know it, you know. But you know how it go. Anyway, me have my curry chicken, eat it up, and I have my minty, so me and dad I got thrown up on this, you know, so I got dish out for dad one. And when we come back, let's go end the vlog, we don't know. Because this is something that is a real thing. Me soon come. Alright now family, so me dish out for dad one. I'm drinking coffee already, but I'm going to lick it up with still some more tea. Tea can't too much. Piping hot cup of mint tea. And this after that. See me over here, so I'm going to leave back a few pieces and then I'm going to throw down with mine. Hope you have liked this breakfast this morning, overnight food breakfast video. If you did, please remember to give me a fat thumbs up. And overall, I want you to leave me some comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you know about this. Tell me if you're there for you're Jamaican, Caribbean, somebody. If you still do it, if you share it with your family, if you have taken it into your family and share it with them. Tell me, man, like we talk about this in the comment section. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Remember to make sure you are subscribed to all my 4 channels. This channel here, the mother channel, which is the Jamaican Cooking Journey. This one here, the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. The Jamaican Mukbang, of course, which is getting so vibrant. And also, last but not least, the Jamaican Debbie Debs Train. I promise you, that channel is going to roll and to shift into a different gear you would not believe. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Remember to leave me some principled comment. Some, you know, some just life issue comment. Some little time when, you know, you remember all of this and it, you know, it come, you know, and just bring back memories. But look at it. Look at it. It's a perfect breakfast. You just need to take time. Everything in life takes time. Thanks for the love once more. Thanks for the support. And don't forget to subscribe and to make sure you are in tune to all of our Jamaican channels. Love you.